To allow or deny smart switch to change system settings in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next, tap apps more icon or three dot icon. Select special access, and then tap change system settings. Scroll down the screen, find smart switch. And then on smart switch, tap switch until blue to allow smart switch to change system settings, or tap switch until gray to deny. Tap switch until blue to allow, or tap switch until gray to deny smart switch to change system settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.